Copilot is an AI assistant specifically designed for the PunchCAD family of products that include ViaCAD, TurboCAD Mac, and SharkCAD. Copilot builds on a powerful large language model that is further trained with proprietary resources such as user guides, frequently asked questions, blogs, supplemental materials, and in some cases, even your CAD data. Copilot is available in 2 tiers. Copilot Help provides expert on-demand answers to your questions about PunchCAD usage and tools, quickly improving your productivity with the software. Copilot goes beyond traditional keyword search into user guides by extracting and summarizing relevant content, videos, and links to further resources. Whether you're a new or advanced user, Copilot Help ensures you stay productive and informed regarding the product. The second configuration, Copilot Professional, takes the capabilities of Copilot Help even further, offering advanced tools tailored for professional use. Copilot can analyze your CAD files in detail, identifying potential design inconsistencies, examine suitability for 3D printing, calculate mass properties or other geometric properties, and present the results in custom formats. And for those of you working on high-quality renderings, Copilot Professional offers customizable text-to-image generation. This lets you create realistic textures, backgrounds that further elevate your visualizations. Whether you're analyzing CAD data, troubleshooting complex designs, or creating stunning visualizations, Copilot Professional is here to empower your creativity and help you achieve design excellence.
Thanks for watching.